Hi, I'm DJ from BunduTech. Today I'll be showing you how to fit the BunduTop. When fitting the BunduTop, it's easiest to make use of an electric winch or a threadline hoist. In the event that you do not have a threadline hoist, you can lift the BunduTop using 4 people. It only weighs 73 kilograms. Move the vehicle into place underneath the BunduTop. Use the outer 2 T-tracks and slide in the 8mm bolts provided. Ensure the bolts are in the correct location and make use of the base plate in the installation kit. Attach the base plate with the 8mm lock nuts provided.